Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally back with a brand new video and it's makeup. I know my last video was a lifestyle video, but don't worry, I'm back with makeup. But let me know if you guys do like me doing some lifestyle videos, because if you don't, I won't do them. If you do, then maybe I'll do some more. But anyway, today I'm back with a brand new video and it's actually going to be a product review. So if you guys are interested, oh, I'm like sitting on everything. So if you guys are interested in finding out more about these new Pur Cosmetics glitters, then please stay tuned. And also, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. So I am back reviewing these Pur Cosmetic glitters. I was sent these for review. I'm a huge fan of Pur. You guys know they've sent me PR packages before, and I really do like the brand. They have these new glitters and they are absolutely amazing. Glitters are just in so much right now, so Pur is definitely on trend with these. So these are what the glitters look like. This color is called Oh My God, or OMG. This one is called Lust. This one is called Namaslay. And this one is called Queenie. So I haven't really experimented with these too much. I believe I wore this color one day and I received so many compliments about it. So what these actually look like, they are pigmented glitters. So this is what the applicator looks like. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a little rubber tip. It reminds me of something, I can't remember, but it's very easy to apply. And I will tell you, these do not crease and these will stay all day. I also like too, they stay really well in place. It wasn't like I had glitter all down my face when I wore them. So I'm definitely a huge fan of these. I believe you can get a set of 5 for $39, which is amazing. Reason being is I just wanted to show you. So these have 5.5 milliliters or 0.19 ounces. And this is the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo. And this has 2 grams in terms of ounces. It actually has less for the glitter. So this is actually like really expensive when we break this down, because this only has 0.070 ounces and this is 1.9. So definitely there's like no product in this, and this is like $22. So why would I pay more money for something like this when I can get all of these? And I think this was, yeah, like I said, $22. So I'm going to do some swatches for you. Okay, so I'm just going to begin the swatches here. So the very first one I'm going to swatch is Lust. So this is kind of the pinky reddish one. You can see how metallic and glittery and easy these go on. I really like this one. So the next one I'm going to try is Queenie. This is kind of like a light, or kind of like a green gold champagne color. I haven't tried this one yet. Goes on actually a little bit lighter, but you guys can just see the wonderful pigment in these. So the next one I'm going to try is Namaslay. Totally love that name. So this is kind of the pinky rose gold silvery color. This one separates a little bit. You do have to put a few coats, but I really like this color, and I did try that one. It lasted all day. And the very last one is OMG, and that's what I'm going to put on my lids. 4 colors I tried. Just look at the reflection. They look gorgeous and they last forever, and like you can just see how pigmented they are. These are definitely worth the money for sure. So I also too just wanted to do a little mini tutorial. So I'm just going to use my Naked Heat palette because you do need to do a little bit of kind of makeup here. So just going to use the color Low Blow just to get my crease going. Okay, so far I have Low Blow on my crease. I'm just going to define it a little bit more. Just going to use the brush that this actually includes, and I will probably use this darker color called Cayenne. I find these colors kind of blend together. That's one kind of pet peeve I have about this. Like, you can't really tell that I've used 2 different shades of brown. They kind of just blend together, but I'm going to try to do a halo eye. Okay, I think my eye is kind of, it's good enough for what I'd like to accomplish here. So, because I'm wearing kind of this darker green, I'd like to use this green color. So I'm just going to put this on my eyes. The applicator is so easy to use. This is actually a really nice kind of pop of green. It's very easy, like it doesn't go all over the place, which was kind of my complaint with the Touch and Soul ones. This stays in place. I love it. Okay, so here is the completed eye look. I didn't do any eyeliner. Wow, that took such a long time, but I'll just zoom in here a little bit. So it's nothing like over the top, but I think it's good for me. Like, you guys know I like kind of that more natural look. My makeup looks, if you follow me on Instagram, JazzyFizz14, I'm never like kind of going over the top. I kind of like that natural look, but with a little bit of like a soft glam. So I really like how this look turned. I really like this. And you could also use it as a liner too. So there's lots of uses for this. And this does last all day. Like I said, it did not crease. With this Touch and Soul one, it falls off immediately. It's very hard to apply. I haven't tried the Stila ones. I've heard really good things about them, but I'm in love with these Pure ones, so why would I need to try the Stila ones? These are also cheaper than the Stila ones too, but I really kind of like this. And like I said, it's not messy, it's not creasing, it is just looking really, really nice. So this is the color to OMG. But I'm really happy with these. So that was kind of my review on the Pur Glitters. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have tried these. I'll link them down below in the description box if you guys are interested in trying them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini review, and I thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.